Hey guys, thank you for watching. My name is Fabian. In this series I'm going to show you the crawler track I'm building in my backyard in Portugal. So in the first video I showed you a little piece of the area that I want to transform into a crawler track. So I've started already just to clean some areas up. So I don't know if you can see it, but behind me there's a big pile of rubbish with old trees and leaves and everything and branches. So I've cleaned a small area and made a small track for the crawler course. So let me turn the camera around so you can so I can show you what I've done so far. It's not much, but it's a start. So let's go this way. So let's go on with the drive. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm not a star in one-handed driving, but I will try to manage it. So let's go to the first small hill climb. So this is the second one, and this is a very steep rock. It will not manage to go up there because the back wheels don't have got grip enough to go all the way up. I will show you what's the problem, because it's a bit too slippery here. So here we go. If I throttle up, you can see all wheels are spinning. Well, maybe it's going to do it this time. No, you see it. It's not doing it. So let's give him a hand, or actually a foot this time, because all my hands are full. Yeah, here it is. So then we should go to make a sharp turn left, just squeezing between these two boulders. And here it goes up there. All the way around this area. Oh, one-handed driving again. When we are on this rock, we should go down there. And let's not do it very quickly, because it's a very big drop off and you can tumble the car. So let's do it. So it's off. That went pretty well. And let's go to the first created obstacle. Let's call it the bumpy board. So here we go to the bumpy board. So the first wheel is on. The second wheel. Yeah, here we go. All the way. Oh, still one-handed driving. Yeah, it's off. So I'm planning to create a path, because if you can see this tree over here, when you come off the bumpy board, then you should turn around this tree, and I'm planning to making a bridge or something that you can go onto the rock. From there on, I'm not sure what I am going to do, but yeah, we will see. If you got any suggestions, yeah, just please let me know. So let's turn the camera around. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will post a lot more. If you got any suggestions or comments, just please put them in the box below. If you're liking this video, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.